Hello everyone, so in this video, we're going to be reviewing GetFlex or FlexRentPayment.com. So as you can see, you can pay your rent your way. If you don't know what this is, it is basically you can pay your rent on like monthly or for cheaper, but for longer. So if you're wondering if this product is legit or not, we have it here on Trustpilot and see that they're rated 1.9 out of 5 stars with 14 reviews, which is actually poor. So as you can see, the reviews here are a joke, non-stop spam, predatory, unlawfully withdrew funds, will never use again, this company has shady practices, and a lot more. So don't get involved with this mess. Horrible service, absolutely horrible. This app isn't for everyone. I don't know why he rated it 4-star. Flex is so complicated and not user-friendly, not worth the hassle. Scammers and money gouging new customers after you join. Scammers, and basically that is it. So 93% of it is 1-star. So please guys, I would advise you to not buy this or subscribe to this product since it is very obviously a scam. And how can they flex your rent without actually contacting your landlord or the owner of the place that you're renting? And yeah guys, that is basically it. So if you found this video helpful, please consider liking and subscribing.